Hello, English language learners from around the world. As you know, last week we learned about word stress, and we learned how in English, syllables have different lengths. So certain syllables are longer and louder, and that means they have stress. And other syllables are spoken softer and quicker, and that means they're unstressed. We learned a couple of rules to guide us. The first one is that nouns and adjectives have their stress usually on the first syllable. So for example, in the word happy, the stress is on that first syllable, happy. Okay, we also learned that verbs and prepositions usually have stress on the second syllable. So in the preposition between, the stress is on the second syllable, between. Okay, today I'm going to teach you another easy rule we can remember, and this has to do with compound nouns. Okay, so for some of you, this may be a new word. A compound noun just means it is a noun composed of two smaller nouns. So for example, homework. So I'm sure you all know what homework is. It's just a combination of home plus work, and we say homework. And I'm sure many of you can already tell the stress is on the first syllable, homework. Okay? Sounds easy enough. So what do we do when the two words combined are more than two syllables? So now it gets a little bit more complicated. So what if we have, on the one hand, the word business? Business. And then on the other hand, we have the word woman. Woman. And if you combine that, we say businesswoman. Businesswoman. So some of you have a really good ear and you could hear what I did, but for those of us, myself included, if you don't have a really good musical ear, what I did is I put the primary stress on the first syllable, and I did the secondary stress on woman. So you put it all together again, businesswoman, businesswoman. Okay, now I know it sounds complicated, but once your ear gets used to it, you'll be okay. So how about the word grandmother? Grandmother. Primary stress is on gra, secondary stress is on m. Grandmother, grandfather.